Hello there guys, in this video I will show you how to archive and unarchive conversation on Telegram. Firstly guys, you need to go on the profile section on your Telegram application, and then you should select a chat that you want to make him in an archive section. For example, we'll go on with this one. Just go select it, hold on it, and right on your right upper side you have three dots section. Click on that, and as you can see on the first selection you have archive. Click on that section, and here as you can see, if you get back and then open again the Telegram application, type Telegram, click on it, and here as you can see on the first side, now you can see all your archived conversations on your Telegram application. And now if you want to unarchive this conversation, you need just to tap on archive chats, and right after that you need to go and just type on this person or select this one and go for right upper side and go for the first selection that says unarchive. Click on it. Right now guys, we have unarchived our conversation on Telegram. Guys, in this video I have showed you how to archive and unarchive conversation on Telegram. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video, and if you have some problems please comment down below in the section. See you soon guys, have a nice day.